This review is of Lily's Baking Company Vegan Rugelach. I hope I said that correctly. Handcrafted goodness. No artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Parv, dairy free, of course. Which must be. And it's related to babka. Okay. I know high fructose corn syrup, no trans fats. Fantastic. Oh dear. That's better. 1 ounce. And there are 8 servings, 110 calories, 6 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol, 60 milligrams of sodium, 13 grams of carbs, of which less than 1 is dietary fiber, 6 grams of added sugar, 1 gram of proteins, and palm oil and soybean oil shortening. That's really bad. Maltodextrin will spike your blood sugar because it's 2 to 3 times higher in glycemic index than sugar is. They ruined the cocoa with the alkali, so the antioxidants are gone or mostly gone. Mono and diglycerides produce or contain trans fats, small amounts. Maltodextrin again, and we have locust bean, locust bean gum, guar gum, cellulose gum, xanthan gum, and carrageenan. I didn't realize that carrageenan was a natural gum, but okay. And those are emulsifiers or thickeners or fillers or whatever you want to call them, and those are not good for health particularly. So let's give it a try. Yeah, they're pretty simple. Looks like some possibly I don't know. Could be a simple flat dough that they slathered this chocolate filling on and then just rolled it and squished it like that. I think that's what it is. The reason the color of the chocolate is so dark is because they ruined the chocolate with alkali. Hmm. Honestly, it's pretty underwhelming. They should have used better chocolate, more chocolate perhaps, but definitely stronger chocolate. So eh, it's nothing special, not to me, anyways. It's too mundane. I will. I'll give it a 5. Afia, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.